Hey everyone, this is KAF, and I want to talk about what patterns are working best in the stock market right now. Back in September, we had penny stocks just going parabolic, going crazy, and it was a lot of fun to trade those. We had stocks going from 50 cents up to $2 in a single day, just banking off them. But here in October, the patterns have changed a little bit, mainly because of earnings season, and we're also heading into the end of the year. So it's something really important to be able to notice and realize when those patterns are changing. This is something I'm constantly trying to work on and improve on. Right now, the big thing is earnings winners. And these plays have been really hot, and I want to go over some of these plays with you. This is one of them, APTI. I bought in today here over this 21.50 mark, alerted in the chat room, and I had a price target of $23. Well, as we speak, it's hitting our price target of $23. This is live. So this trade was a beauty. This is what we call a bull flag breakout right here. This is the flag, and it's a bull flag because it's going upward, as you see. This is also called an ascending wedge. You know, people have all sorts of names for what these are. It doesn't really matter what name you use. What matters is that you understand what it is. This is an upward trending stock that was using 21.50 here as the top for a while, and as it broke over that resistance, we got a real nice pop and right up right into our price target of $23. So this was APTI, and earnings winner. You can see they released positive earnings yesterday, and it was a beauty. So make sure you're looking out for earnings winners. As you know, there's all the news comes in on penny stocks and biotechs. Those just aren't very powerful right now. So make sure you're watching earnings winner. By the way, I just want to show you my website real quick, and this is it at kafinvesting.com. Come join us. We'll get you in on a free week trial. Would love to have you come into the chat room. Another play I want to talk about that we've traded quite successfully, this was another earnings winner from a couple days ago, was GCAP. This one was really nice for us. We traded this last week. You see earnings were released here, and I traded this over the $7 level, and let me show you why. Let me give you a little bit better time frame here. There we go. Let it sort itself out. I traded this over the exact same pattern that I just showed you on that last one, but I traded this one over the $7 level. This was GCAP. It was another ascending wedge or bull flag pattern, whatever you want to call it, and traded over the $7 level. Let me help illustrate this bull flag a little bit better. Kind of got drawings all over the place, as you can see. Another ascending wedge here. We traded over the $7 level, sold up here in the mid 720s. I actually traded this multiple times and then dip bought, sold again, dip bought, sold again, and this is just a beautiful earnings winners. Earnings winners are what giving us the overnight follow through. It's not the penny stocks right now. The penny stocks, biotechs, that stuff is not giving us that solid overnight follow through. Now, of course, I guess you could consider this a penny stock, 760, a little bit mid cap, lower cap. But make sure you're watching out for these earnings winners. Another really interesting earnings winners play today that's moving is BBG. Look at this action from BBG. I mean, look at this. Earnings were released from 445 up to 490. Just really strong moves, and you see they're actually holding its gains. These earnings winners are holding their gains really well. Another one that released earnings today that actually got kind of mixed earnings. They initially released it as positive, spiked up, sold off, spiked up, and then this huge crack down here to 94.50 before making this really nice bounce. It'll be interesting to see what this does the rest of the day. It's kind of going sideways, pretty mid-range right now. I like this. There's some resistance here at 101. I definitely love this over 105 area. So it'll be interesting to keep this on watch, but this is an earnings winner. So if this can, pop over 105, we could very likely get some overnight continuation on this. So the best plays that are working right now, it's October, it's actually Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone, of 2017, are earnings winners. So be looking for those earnings winners and be looking of how to take advantage of them. All right.